The Environmental Guardian Programme is a scheme that has been set up entirely voluntary for people throughout Thames Water to adopt outfalls and monitor those outfalls for pollution. First off, you sign up to become a member of the Environmental Guardians. Then you pick your outfall. There's a visual where you can see all the outfalls plotted on a map.
I didn't realise that I was walking past it until I saw it on the Environmental Guardian's map and thought, wow, I live there. And so it was really not a great hardship for me to come and check it every day. The typical visit to an outfall is using your senses to just check what does it look like, what does it smell like. At my other outfall, there's a housing development there and there was sand. So I'd reported that to the pollution desk and we were able to have a conversation with the developers to say, look, your sand is coming out of the outfall.
If customers report pollutions as soon as they see them to our 24-hour hotline, we can get our teams on site immediately, which means we can rectify the issue as soon as possible, which is the best thing for the environment. Our 24/7 pollution desk will send a crew out to investigate within 2 hours, and they're often at site within 60 minutes. The impact that our environmental guardians is having is around the information that they're gathering. Once we get an idea of what these outfalls look like day to day, we'll be able to get our teams out to rectify any issues as soon as possible. We'll be able to make sure the watercourse is recovering as soon as possible. Our environmental guardians are specifically looking at surface water outfalls, whereas our pollution coordinator is looking at all pollutions across the Thames Water business.
Ultimately, it is us as employees for Thames that want to be able to give back to our communities and do a little bit more. I do take a big responsibility for my outfalls. They're my outfalls. I look after them.
Over the next 5 years, we plan to reduce our number of pollution incidents by 30% and cut storm discharges by a third.
I love seeing that impact. An area that was heavily polluted is now suddenly clean. You can see the fish swimming around in the outfall. That's really gratifying.
We are committed to reducing pollutions, and it's something that everybody in the business is committed to.